Today we are digging the water line on the main water line that runs up. We're going to tee in and all the way down the house, down to the house. This is the TLB. He's going to dig the hole across the road for us. I'm going to lay some steel conduit piping, and the water line goes through that so that the cars don't tramp it and stuff like that. And we'll see how we get on. Well, to catch up on what was the latest, basically I'm on my phone now because the heat has just killed my little portable camera, and the TLB broke down, which they've just got started now. So the traffic is piling up behind here because the road is obviously closed, and things are kicking off. So it's not fantastic, but we'll get it done. They're going to fill in half of the road, get one bit in, send the traffic through, and then we'll start on the other side because tensions are running high. Peace, mission. At least that's closed now, and these guys can go across. Hopefully we're going to make friends again soon. Well, there you go, that's it. The first part of this main water line done. The biggest, most challenging bit was to get it across this road here. You can see we dug it with the TLB earlier, and we covered it in. It caused a bit of stress with people going up and down this road. It's not a main road, but there are lots of farmers down here, and we kind of had the unfortunate luck of the TLB breaking down halfway through the job, so we kind of annoyed a few people, but you know, the stuff happens. Everyone's kind of friendly again, and the job's done. So now what's next, what's left to do, is to take it down that fence line all the way to the house. It's like 600 meters, 500 meters, something like that. We haven't actually measured it out, but that's it for part one. Part two might be a little while. We're waiting for some machinery to be repaired before we can actually put the lower section of the pipe in. So yeah, unfortunately it's not going to be part one, part two next episode. it's going to be maybe a few weeks in between, but we'll get it done because, you know, on a farm, getting fresh water down to the house is absolutely paramount. So stay tuned, and we'll see you again for part 2 when we connect up to the house. Thanks again for watching. See you later.